Is your massive V10 or V12 engine shaking the whole car at idle and feeling like it has lost a huge chunk of its power? You are probably looking at code P0290, which stands for cylinder 10 contribution/balance. This is a fancy way of saying that the 10th cylinder in your engine firing order is not doing its job. The engine computer is smart enough to measure how much the crankshaft speeds up every time a cylinder fires, and right now, it sees that when cylinder 10 is supposed to push, nothing is happening. This is almost always a fuel delivery problem, meaning cylinder 10 is starving for gasoline, which causes that rough idle, hesitation when you step on the gas, and a noticeable drop in power. To troubleshoot this, you first need to find a diagram for your specific engine to locate cylinder number 10. Once you find it, check the electrical plug on that fuel injector. You are looking for loose wires, bent pins, or corrosion that might be stopping the electrical signal. If the connection looks tight, we need to know if the injector is actually moving. Here's an old mechanic trick. Take a long screwdriver, put the metal tip against the body of the fuel injector, and press your ear against the handle while the engine is running. You should hear a sharp, rhythmic clicking sound like a clock ticking. If you hear silence, that injector is electrically dead or stuck closed. If it is clicking but you still have the misfire, the injector is likely clogged with dirt or varnish. You can try to save it with a direct fuel injector flush kit from an auto parts store. This process involves pulling the fuse for your fuel pump to disable the gas tank supply, connecting a canister of pressurized cleaner directly to the engine fuel rail, and running the engine solely on that cleaner until the can runs dry. This forces concentrated solvent through the injector to blast away the gunk. If that cleaning process does not smooth out the idle, then your injector is physically broken and needs to be replaced. Do not ignore this problem, because driving with a dead cylinder can dump unburned oxygen into your exhaust, which will overheat and destroy your expensive catalytic converters, turning a $200 repair into a $2,000 nightmare.